the next 1 year, we will see at least a growth between 10 to 15% compounded to the top of what you have seen this year. So, number two, you have to understand that the PMAY scheme is also extended, which means the interest subvention of almost 60,000 crores of rupees will go into affordable housing in the next 5 years as interest subvention alone in India. So I think growth of the story is definitely taking place in the affordable segment, mid-segment and high segment. Most of the companies which are giving home loans have predicted 20% rise in the offering of home loans on the top of this particular position that is there today. So I think there's a huge growth story which you're going to see, and it's a tremendous story that we will see in the next couple of years. Also, Niti Aayog has also made a statement that just now housing is about 7% of GDP. In next 5 years, when it becomes $5 trillion economy, housing and infrastructure will be 20% of GDP, means $1 trillion.
The union budget is just around the corner. What do you think the real estate sector's budget wish list is looking like, and do you have any suggestions for the FM to incorporate in the budget announcement?
Rental housing. We see a lot of help as far as ownership housing is concerned, but we don't see anything as far as rental housing is concerned. And I think India needs a lot of rental housing. Even the richest country in the world, the United States, 50% of the population live in rental housing from birth to death. So, but we don't have any provision. So I think that is there. Number two, interest deduction, which is available for income tax rebate, has been stuck at 2 lakhs of rupees. We think it should be raised to 5 lakhs at least, because there has been inflation over the period of years. So I think that is important. Third important thing is the difference of capital gains. Capital gains in the case of capital markets or the stock exchange is 1 year and 10%. While in the case of real estate, it's 3 years and 20%. So I think investment in Makan is equally important as the stock market.